Morning, YouTubers. What's up? Got another victoranox today. It's called Adventure. 2-layer Phillips and punch. There's your toothpick and tweezers. Screwdriver. Yeah, it's got a notch on it. But man, they shorted me that notch. Lock blade too, by the way. Main blade on the blade's got. It is sharp. Oh, that blade looks to me like cutting edge looks like 3/8 or 3.5, somewhere right in there. Overall, it ran around 8. It is a neat knife. One place you can find it on eBay. Found that one. Well, folks, just wanted to show you that one. Have a good day. Stay warm, stay dry. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you.